BEIJING, AP, Apple Incorporated is warning customers they'll have to wait longer to get its latest iPhone models after antivirus restrictions were imposed on a contractor's factory in central China. The company announcement Sunday gave no details but said the factory operated by Foxconn in the central city of Zhengzhou is operating at significantly reduced capacity. We now expect lower iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max shipments than we previously anticipated, the company said. Customers will experience longer wait times to receive their new products. Foxconn Technology Group said earlier it imposed antivirus measures on the factory in Zhengzhou following virus outbreaks. Apple and Foxconn previously hadn't responded to questions about how iPhone production might be affected. The lockdown is expected to cause further disruptions to the plant, which in recent weeks has seen a spate of coronavirus infections and an exodus of workers, some of whom fled the factory on foot. Foxconn said in a statement that it is revising its outlook for this quarter downward due to the lockdown. Foxconn is now working with the government in a concerted effort to stamp out the pandemic and resume production to its full capacity as quickly as possible, the company said Monday. It also said that the provincial government has said it will fully support Foxconn in managing the plant's pandemic prevention and operation situation. The last quarter of the year is typically a busy season for companies like Foxconn as they ramp up production ahead of the end-of-year holiday rush. We are working closely with our supplier to return to normal production levels while ensuring the health and safety of every worker, Apple said.